Hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Amazon real quick today. I don't have a lot of time, sorry, but this is free, so I'm sure you're going to get what you paid for here. I like the way really like the way the stock was trading last week. It had this little wedge pattern here that almost looked like it was setting up a short. This day here, you'd say, I bet I could see maybe shorting the stock. Blasphemy, I know, shorting Amazon, but it never really materialized. So when you're looking at a stock that looks like it's setting up to go one way, but then it goes another, that's something that you want to pay attention to because the stock is the only one that gets a vote. All you can do is go with the winner. And so when the stock's doing this last week, I'm saying, all right, maybe we're going to get more upside after all. And then we actually did get more upside, even though the stock closed lower relative to the open. It's still holding right around the 50-day moving average. So now we've got Friday as kind of like deciding the rubber match. You know, which way is this thing going to go? Okay, well, there's your answer. Right here, going into the afternoon, this stock breaks out and it has a really, really nice close. So you're going into the weekend long, and then lo and behold, you wake up in the morning and you're very happy. I know I was. But then I'll tell you what, towards the end of the day, I actually took a little bit off the table, not a lot. But see, tomorrow's Prime Day, and so that gets everybody all lathered up. I know, I'm sure there's something I'll buy on Amazon, but it's not going to be because of Prime Day. It's just I seem to always find something to buy on Amazon, even if it's coconut cream for my coffee. So what I would suggest doing here is stay long this stock and use today's intraday low of 33.39. We'll call it 33.40. Use 33.40 as your reference point for support. This stock should, on any kind of a pullback, it should stay above 33.40. If it doesn't, then you go ahead and ditch the stock. But my bet is this is going to be a good trade for you. And by the way, if you're trading options on this, you have to understand what your time frame is. For a long-term option position, this sucks. You don't want to be doing that now. But if you're saying, well, I'd like to just trade, I'd just like to swing trade the stock for a day or two, fine. Buy the weekly options. They're actually plenty liquid, and it'll cost you a fraction of what buying the stock would cost you, or going out and buying November or January calls, something like that. Maybe you sell a bull put spread underneath 3,200, but I've had some pretty good success trading the weekly options, frankly, for 15 or 20 minutes. That's about it. So anyway, I think Amazon's going lower. Look at this volume. That's real buying. And so I would be long Amazon, at least for a trade. All right, that's it, members. Over to the strategy session.